Unscripted videos are powerful. They feel real, natural, and authentic. But if they feel random, clients won't pay premium rates. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Clients don't pay for raw footage. They pay for a clear, structured story that feels effortless. Today, I'm sharing 3 secrets to making unscripted videos that don't feel random, so you can start charging what you're worth. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment. What's the biggest challenge you face with unscripted videos? Let's start a conversation right now. So, why do unscripted videos often feel random? Most videographers struggle with unscripted videos because they think capturing great moments is enough. But here's the problem. Without a structure, even great moments can feel meaningless. Think about it like this. A documentary isn't just a bunch of interviews. A reality show isn't just random clips. The best unscripted content has a hidden structure that makes it feel effortless. And that's what clients pay for. And here's why this matters. Unscripted content is in massive demand. Right now, 32% of all TV shows on streaming platforms are unscripted. And reality series alone make up for over 20% of audience demand in the US. Hey, guess what? Documentary series are even bigger, nearly 15% of total demand. So if you think learning to structure unscripted content isn't worth it, you better think again. The industry is shifting, and brands, platforms, and businesses all need unscripted storytellers who can deliver structured, engaging content. The best unscripted videos have structure without feeling scripted. Here's how to do it. Number 1, find the story arc before you shoot. Instead of just rolling the camera and hoping for good moments, define the beginning, the middle, and end. What transformation or journey are you capturing? Every great unscripted video has a natural story arc. You just have to find it. Number 2, use story mapping to guide the edit. In my projects, I don't just drop clips into a timeline. I use story mapping to lay out key moments, themes, and beats before editing. Organizing moments visually before editing gives clarity and flow. Number 3, shape the narrative in post. You don't need a script, but you do need a structure. Interviews, reactions, and B-roll should all serve the larger story. Think like an editor. Every shot should answer, how does this move the story forward? When you apply these 3 techniques, your unscripted videos will feel more intentional, not random. And that's what makes them valuable. Here's the key. Clients don't pay for clips, they pay for stories. If you want to make more money with unscripted videos, you need a system that structures your content without losing its authenticity. So let me give you 3 paths you can take to learn how to make better unscripted videos. Number 1, you can get started for free with my free workshop. It takes you through my story mapping system and a proven framework for crafting unscripted videos that flow naturally and feel intentional. So click the link below and watch it now. Number 2, go deeper with my master course. If you're ready to refine your storytelling process and build a profitable video business, my Start with Story, End with Wow master course gives you a step-by-step method to structuring compelling unscripted videos that clients love. All right, number 3, you can fast-track your success with one-on-one coaching. Want to master this process faster? My one-on-one coaching is your fast pass to success, giving you personalized guidance to help you refine your storytelling, pricing, client strategy. Click on the links below and choose the path that fits where you're at right now. It's time to start creating unscripted videos that don't feel random and start getting paid what you're worth. Ready for the takeaway? Unscripted video isn't just about capturing real moments. It's about shaping those moments into a compelling story, and that's what makes them valuable. Thanks for watching.